I will be showing you how to go from basic to a sexually threatening bombshell dumpling inspired by celebrity makeup artist Nam Vo, who is known for her dewy dumplings or Nam Vo glow. So let's get to it. I am priming my face with the Milk Cosmetics Hydro Grip Primer. I'm taking the Fenty Pro Filt'r Hydrating Longwear Foundation on a damp sponge to even out my skin tone. Taking my concealer, I'm placing it on the bridge of my nose to highlight it, and also under my eyes to hide some dark circles and spot treating any areas. I like to take my time when I'm blending out my concealer to make sure I have a flawless finish. Taking the Milk Cosmetics Cream Bronzer, I'm going to add some warmth back into my face. Be sure to cardio blend. Using the Pixi MultiBalm in the color Sheer Sculpt to contour my face. It's brow time, or as I like to say, brow time wow time. I'm using the Anastasia Beverly Hills DipBrow. For my eyes, I'm using the L'Oreal Brilliant Eyes Liquid Shadow in the color Royal Onyx. This will be our base. Taking a tiny blending brush, I'm using the color Totally Fawn of You from Milani and blending it into the crease area. Remember, cardio blend. Taking the liquid shadow again, I'm going to line the lower lash line with it. Black eyeliner and smudge it into the top corner area. Now line the lower lash line. I'm using a matte black color and blending it into the outer corner in a V shape. Highlight the inner corners of the eyes. I'm taking a cream blush and blending it into the apples of my cheeks. When it comes to blush, Nam says that it should be 2 fingers through your nose. Curl your lashes. Time for mascara. I'm using the Maybelline Colossal Lash, which is actually one of Nam Vo's favorite drugstore mascaras. I'm lining my lips with the NYX Suede Matte Lip Liner in the color Stockholm. I'm using one of my favorite drugstore lipsticks by Milani. It's called I Am Smart. It's the perfect corally nude shade. Now topping everything off with the NYX Butter Gloss in the shade Madeleine. Cause you know, that lip gloss gotta be poppin'. Of course, I gotta finish the look off with lashes. Bam! Here's the completed look with my sexually threatening hair and transparent outfit. I hope you guys enjoyed this look, and I'll see you guys next time. Bye!